Hey guys, what is up? So I am here in Tucson, Arizona. It is hot out here. It's still early in the morning, it's gonna get hotter, but I am here to check out this backyard roller coaster, and this is it here. This is pretty crazy. Goes all the way down. How long did it take you to build this?
About 3 months.
Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh. Well, you've got the perfect setup out here for this guy. Now, where could he put, and then when we start driving in, I go, oh, now I can see where he
Well, when I first started, I was just going to have it go downhill all the way and then bring the car back, and then I got thinking, oh man, it's going to get pain, so then I made a little lift.
Oh,
Let me plug it in. I'll show you a test run on it.
Okay, cool. This is pretty cool. Look at this. Got a seat belt, everything. It's turning on the lift right now. So it doesn't make it all the way back up on its own. It has to use the lift. It's at the bottom there.
that is amazing.
If we have a party or something, the kids will line up here and
Oh my God.
want to do it again.
Now, is it a...
I saw that. You know, I used to let it.
That is crazy. So you can see the lift here because it won't make it all the way up when it goes back down onto his property. So you can see down here that it turns at the bottom here. This is the end of it here. So you got the little hills here, you got the bank here. This is pretty cool. And then it's gonna go back up the lift. Wow. And it's got the anti-rollbacks. That's good to have. Really cool. So I'm excited to try this thing. Really excited.
Go for a ride?
Yeah. So do you have a name for this coaster?
The Riley.
The Riley.
That's
Okay.
my daughter's. My granddaughter's name is Riley, so we call it the Riley.
Okay. Do you have like do you know like any sort of the specs of it or the speed or anything?
You know, I just guessed 20 miles an hour.
Oh, okay.
But no, it's 200 feet long. But
Do you know what the highest height is?
no.
Oh, okay.
You know, it's from here to there. It's a pretty good drop.
Yeah, oh yeah. Okay, so I am getting in this thing right now. Really excited. Okay. Here we go, guys. I'm so ready for this. Okay, they just turned on the lift hill again.
Are you ready?
Yes. Yeah. This is really fun, guys. Oh my gosh. Yeah. All right, so I'm finished here riding the Riley, which is a backyard roller coaster here in Tucson, Arizona. This thing is really cool. Now, I did notice when you come down the hill here, it's not like super round. It's kind of a little bit jerky, but like compared to some other rides, it's not bad. Like that's the only like maybe the worst part in here, but that is awesome. I asked him if he ever thought of putting a lift here so he didn't have to push it up, but he said he wasn't really going to do that. So, but that's cool though. Also, this, if you guys can see this, everyone who rides gets their own shirt saying that I survived the Riley. That is really cool.
Long way to come.
Yeah. So how far does your property go then?
Actually, this way it just goes probably to the bottom of that dip, all the way down
Oh, okay.
to the road.
Cool. All right. Yeah, you too. All right, everyone, so that's gonna be it for this backyard roller coaster. I had a blast here on the Riley, and I got another coaster credit, and I think I'm over like 400 and something coaster credits. Don't quote me on that, but this was actually my first backyard roller coaster, so that is super exciting. I'm gonna be wearing that I survived the Riley shirt like a lot. And thanks to Gary Dykman for having me out here. Had a blast. That's where the coaster was. Big property here. Really hot out here, but this was cool. So that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And also, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And then if you just subscribed or you're already subscribed and you haven't hit that notification bell icon, make sure you do so you can be notified of new videos I release. And put comments down below and tell me what you thought of this roller coaster. Did you like it? Did you hate it? Do you think they should change something on it? I know Gary was trying to build another roller coaster, or he wants to, with a launch. So that would be really cool to come out here to film that. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I will see everybody later. Bye.